My name is Ivana Kovačić, and I come from Fairwind Charter Company. That is a small family company that I run and own together with my husband, Paško, and which we founded like 11 years ago. This will be our 11th season. We are a small company. As it says, we have five boats, three monohull Bavaria sailboats, and two catamarans. All the boats are of the rather recent build. The oldest one is one catamaran, which is from 2018, and the other four are two from 2023 and two brand new this year. All the boats are very well equipped, well maintained. Actually, my husband is in charge of the maintenance, and he knows each boat as well as the palm of his hand. So he does this technical briefings with the clients, and he's very thorough. So they really appreciate it. It also helps him to solve quickly any issues that can happen during the charter. He either does it himself or quickly organizes wherever it happens on any island. Our business model is that we just charter our own boats. So all the boats are of our ownership. And in the beginning, we agreed that we will try to stand out with not the, with the how many boats we have, but with the quality of the service and with the boats and with some personal, transparent approach to our clients. Sorry. And we see that it's recognized by our clients, since we have a lot of repeating clients and a lot of them coming by recommendation, either by a family member, friends, acquaintances, and similar. We are based in ACI Marina Split, which is a small, nice marina, and really ideally located just next to the old town of Split, like 10-15 minutes walking, and then some 20-30 minutes from the international airport of Split. Also in the area of the marina, there are beaches, parks, museums, galleries, various restaurants. Also, we can easily organize transfers for our guests from the airport via the trusted transfer agency. Then I think, it might sound biased, but I think that Split is really, if you look on the map, thanks to its central position on the Adriatic coast, it's really the best starting point for sailing holidays in Croatia, because from Split you can make really nice routes either to the south or either to the north for 7 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4. We sometimes have guests who take it for 5 or more weeks. And then, we help our guests planning the route. Actually, on our website, there are a couple of example routes that are often used by our guests, because they not only provide information about the places and the islands they can visit, but also some other helpful information like berth options, things that they can do in certain places, restaurants to go to, and also I'm always available on through phone, mail, WhatsApp, to help them book the berth, restaurant, or recommend something to do. Also, my husband, he always tracks weather forecasts, so he sends warnings if it's some bad weather approaching, to advise them to go to some secure place. So we really have rarely damages or some serious damages. Then yes, our charters are set Saturday to Saturday. we can have some flexibility in early in pre-season, like April or early May, later October. But generally, this peak of the season period, it's Saturday to Saturday. Check-ins are up to 5 p.m. Although, we try always to make it earlier. We take care when the guests are arriving, so try to schedule the boat readiness accordingly. So by 5 p.m., they're mostly all out, already sailing towards their first destination. While they need to be back in the marina on Friday by 6 p.m. But that's not a problem for them because they use that time to go visit Split, which is just like 15 minutes away, or to go for a dinner in some nice restaurants, prepare for tomorrow. And then, yes, per default, yes, boats are chartered bareboat, but we always organize the professional skippers if requested. Actually, I can say that now, like more than 60% of charters are with a skipper, pay a professional skipper, what makes things much easier for us because we don't need to make technical briefings with them. We just have the same skippers from week to week. And then I also noticed that each year we have more and more charters with the hostesses as well, especially on catamarans, because guests want to have full relaxing holidays. And yes, that would be it. That's we actually don't have some plans to enlarge our fleet. We just want to stay small and improve our offer and service, and yes, maybe renew the fleet, but stay around that number of 5 boats. Yes.